Welcome to the tutorial on using Microsoft Bookings to schedule an appointment. Start by visiting the link shared above. Log in with your PMU email address and password. Click Login to be redirected to the PMU Microsoft Bookings page. If you receive the error shown, it means you're not eligible to register on that date. Log in again using your PMU email and password to be redirected to the PMU Microsoft Booking page. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the PMU Microsoft Bookings page to begin. Click the drop-down menu to select a staff member for your appointment. Scroll down to see the available dates and times. Select the most suitable one for the appointment. Please note that you are only allowed to book one appointment. Scroll down to ensure your details are correct and provide additional information. Once all information is provided, click Book to complete the appointment process. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the confirmation page, where you can see your appointment schedule along with a message displayed above. A confirmation email will be sent to your PMU email. Click on it to proceed. Join the appointment a minute before the scheduled time by clicking the Join Your Appointment button. You will be redirected to Microsoft Teams to start the appointment.